Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. She's waking up. She's waking up. One of UK. I'm waking up. Yes, another one, Dokon. Another one. Yes. Another one. Where am I going to see man? Another one. Hey, another one. Good morning, my beautiful. Another Tori don't come again. Another one. Mona share it. Another one. Another one. Me I first sing this one. This sing. When no boy na ya gbọ́n o. Ede na yare bubu we. When no boy na ya gbọ́n o. Ede na yare bubu we. Orion no gborion o. Tawele lorion ri o wa. When no boy na ya gbọ́n o. Ede na yare bubu we. When no boy na ya gbọ́n o. Ede na yare bubu we. Orion no gborion o. Tawele lorion ri o wa. Wadege ewe. Nikawe iviedo me. Na congratulations. Iviedo. Congratulations ifo wo. Benin people, congratulations ifo wo. We will just dey talk. We not get bad mind. Now another tribe. I know one measure. Another tribe. Now then they pursue we Benis. Because if you see one video when I see today, person when they give person to Ogbalegbe, it dey inside. Now I make this thing when I sing. Person when they tell girls say, don't pay, give this one to Ogbalegbe, give this one to Ogbalegbe. It dey inside though. And this thing now, where the thing they happen? Now, what they call them France. They say Kokoma forward to a bon TV. My God. Me tell we Italy, oh, if Italy what so? Nonsense enough. Nonsense to nonsense. I mean Italy. So one woman, I see the video, just called from jail. She's talking. In the inside just is 3 years. They not live on. In my zobo. In my one now. Why? Because even oruwa ko bungbe. Even oruwa ko or bungbe. Or pen wake pushi mani viedo. Even that time when we are in Europe, this another tribe. Not be all of them. Oh, it get one of tribe. I don't want to measure any tribe. One, only one tribe. Only one. They know they let our Benin. They rest. As I they speak, so they know their self. So they not even though that time when they go road work. If they road, they know they create Benin follow them work. Now they do rough job. Now they give people to Ogbalegbe. Now they talk everything where Madam do for us to Ibo. Now they talk everything. We Benin, we don't know anything. Why? Because they really take off force for Nigeria, for Benin. Even when we did in Benin that time, he go say, our father go tell us, say, even mama, our mama go tell us, something where they not, did you stay send you message? Not talk about my pikin, oh, we'll say we hear. Even though you did that with the key person. Not to say you did that, oh, not to say your hair rich and more. We'll say, yeah, more I put tons, I know they sit on. Me I say first. Yeah, now, okay, good morning. So me I say first, good morning, please. I'm coming. So I want to just say this thing before I go start to play music. Why? Because this topic, I have to talk topic first before music, so that if person want to, if I want to put my this thing for YouTube, I can cut it quickly. Okay, good morning, my beautiful people. No, I'm coming. Thank you. So this tribe, they know their money put us on. They know their self. Even we get where money they you see say that they sale where. They sale where. Now ordinary body, now that they jiggy. Ordinary body, rough job. This tribe, una know na self. Una know una self, and una still dey pursue us for. Now una still dey juice us for media, so where our Benin people they don't know. See this woman now. Now you dey give person to Okpaligbe. Now you come to Okpaligbe house. She's 3 years now. She stay there. She sleep there, and she, if it's true, she gonna sleep there. Even the woman where they talk say no good, but that one call just now. That one say now there. Oh wow, that Egan, which is that Jane, I be in the, now it go be the house. Say the woman are evil. You understand now? I bear my brother, my sister. Benin's. If you now want to make a lead down, go lead down. May we not they let another tribe they use us. May we not they let them they use us. Even that time from Nigeria, our mama they tell us say, my pikin, even though they keep person there, not us say your hair rich out. Even though person thief, you see her there, he keep person. Not us. Nowadays, some of our Benin, even though you keep person, you not keep person. Now so you go see go meet the police there. Hey, I did there. Mona tell no say, oh say na get case. After they don't push you now, they go draw their self. They go shift. You will be Benin person. Where a zegbe war, why a zegbe, why zegbe. Now she want to over Sabina. Even the best way push you put, you go even they happy, you go even they laugh, you go say, hey, Benin people they say they get sense. They don't, you don't tell whether they use us so. Oh my God. Una say me I not the mission name. I foresee the mission name. But not beside the fear. I dey follow waiting my people they tell me. My beautiful people and then my viewers, some people where they call me, I for the mission name. Okay? You don't tell one they use also. And these people when I talking about so, if you get to Igbo, they go come out from you. They go snatch them. They go snatch the Igbo. They go do rough job for roads. Where they work, you know, work for them. You go even see voodoo, now they get voodoo. Sham, where they walk. These people. We Benin. Ikwe man, Ikwe. Now make me some of our Benin women, where you go to follow them. I will just the pity for them. Because, where umaye we know we Benin, where did those tribes know? We Benin, we don't know her. Mama Benin, so as I talk now, people where you don't follow those people, where you don't jump them, you go understand the tribe when I'm talking about. The people go understand the tribe when I'm talking about. You see her now, she dey cry. Hey, you know they call police. You know when that madam they ask her a question just now. No be you call me so time like this. No be you with this woman get problem like this. You say people just talk say nah, no be she did. When you do bad, the bad go follow you. When you do good, the good go follow you. They don't say me person no they do bad though. Any bad way you do, you must repent. Anything where you do, you must repent for this life where we take. Now this life might be fire. Now this life might be good earth. Okay? They'll say fire. Okay? Because I go fresh nani. When person don't enter grave with this fresh, you don't know what is happening anymore. But this life, when you open your eye, now you will know, say, fire they fire. She now fire now she does so. Even though she not take for the jail 3 years. If you want born picky for 3 years, you don't know how many. If you want full jiggy with your husband, you don't know as you go to enjoy them, as you go to scream. So now, that is the air fire. I don't see that. I don't see that video. I don't see it. I don't see you. But I'm dancing. I want to go and remove my teeth later. So taxi will come and take me now. I don't want to drive. But if after I remove the teeth now, if they pay me, maybe I cannot drive. So I call my taxi man, you know. it's good to be good. As I'm driving, I have my own taxi. So when I call him, he will stay. He will just come and meet me here. So pay him money, go. Anytime, even though she's sleeping, the man is sleeping. If I call him, he just come. So it's good. Anywhere you pass, make the good there. May I play small music before I start the talk. Hey!